Okay, good afternoon class. So today we're looking at trigonometry, and this is on pages 3. In this video we'll cover 3 and 4. Okay. Calculate to the reason the value of x and y. This is on page 3, correct? When I move to page 4, please let me know. Right. Now I'm going to solve for x. Vertical opposite. As you can see, two lengths here being intersected. So the opposite angles are equal. So x is equal to 60 degrees. Why? Vertically. Okay. You guys understand? Let's go with B. I'm going to calculate x here. Vertically opposite. Can you see that, people? So x is equal to 77 degrees. Vertically opposite. How do you calculate y? Angle to the straight line. You all agree with that? So y plus 77 is equal to 180. Straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 77, which is 10. Any confusion there, people? You guys have to agree that geometry is the easiest so far, no? Yes. Easy. No? As long as you're practicing it, it will remain easy. It will stay easy. Let's go to the next two sums. Next one. We got 3290y. How are you going to calculate x? Vertically opposite angles. Not so. Vertically opposite. Thank you, no? The vertically opposite. Not so. So you say x is equal to 32 degrees. Vertically 32. How are you going to calculate y? Angles on a straight. So what can we say? 32 degrees plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. Why? Straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 90, which is 90, minus 32, which is 50. 8 degrees. Or I could have worked out angles on that straight line. It's the same. Okay. So any questions? Ask.
So is it
Yes, I knew it. Go for it. Don't be
so
shy.
is it okay if for x I said my reason was adjacent complementary?
Adjacent
Complementary.
for x. So firstly, these angles are adjacent complementary. Did you say if OG equals 90 angles on a straight line? Did you say that? No. So you would have lost a mark. Okay, out of those 2 marks, you would have lost 1 mark. Okay. But you must want all your marks, Mr. So when we tell you write it, when we tell you use cycle test format, and then you do your own thing, Mr. No? You must take 5 marks off from you. So you don't want all your marks. No? Anything else? Unless they gave you that to be 90, then you could have said adjacent complement. Anything else, people? No. D. You got 34y(x)(x). How are you going to solve for x? Is this x1 and x? No, it's just an x. So you don't call x1 x2. Okay, unless it's marked x1 x2. Alright. So how do I calculate x? vertically opposite angles. Not so. So x is equal to 34 degrees. I think I must give you a class test for this, understand? Vertically opposite. Right. People, so if x is 34 here, what's the size of this x? Also 34. You see that, people? Because the x's are the same. You all agree all your x's are the same? No. Not all your x's are the same. Not the same x, man. I'm like, they all the same. People, are you going to calculate y? Angles are the same. It's either like that or like that. Either one. No? Angles on a straight line. So I say 34 degrees plus y plus 34 is equal to 180. Straight line. So what do I have now? Y is equal to 180 minus 34 minus 34, which is 68. It's going to be 112. Is that correct? Now why are you laughing? Did I make a mistake? Why you laugh? When you laugh, then I think I make a mistake. Well, I made a mistake. Right. He says I'm on page 30, page 4 now. Right. I'm going to calculate x. Yes, good start. Angles on the? No. Angles around the point, yes. Angles adds up to? 360. So that's a 47 plus 75 plus 155 plus x equals 360, yes. Why? Revolution or angles around a point will get you the full mark. Okay. So 47 plus 75 plus 155. So that's 10, 17. This is 12, 17, 277. Is that correct?
Yes.
So it's going to be 277 plus x equal to 360. So x equal to 360 minus 277. Okay, so 360 minus 277. So if you take away, it gives you 1. That's going to give you 3. 35 minus 27 is 8. Is that correct?
Yes.
Give you 8. Who got 83? Nice. Okay. See, any confusion there, people? The girl that was rude to me, why isn't your hand up? What's up? Okay. Tonight when I cry myself to sleep and my wife doesn't know why. No? Right. I'm going to calculate x here. Again, the angles around the point. Revolution. X plus 78 plus 200 adds up to 360. So x plus 78 plus 200 equals 360. Revolution or angles around the point. All agree with that? Okay. So 200 plus 78 is 278, correct? So 2x, so x plus x is 2x equal to 360 minus 278. There we go. 360 minus 278. Take away gives you 5, 1, 2. Can't. 2, 1, 15 minus 7. 5, 8, 82. So 2x is equal to 82. Divided by 2 says Tegan. He's giving you an answer of? Who got 41? Okay, I'm feeling better. No? After I eat, I should be fine. Okay. Any confusion there? No. Let's carry on with the lives. C. How are you going to calculate x? Or A? Let's go with A first. Straight line. Is it straight line? A, yes. Vertically up. Why is straight line? That's vertically opposite. So A is 45. So the girl that's saying straight line, how are you going to get the straight line with A? We have two unknowns. We got the x and an A unknown. Unless you have solved A first, then you could have gone with angles in a straight line. Can you see that? Otherwise, here as well, there are three x's there that needs to be solved first. You guys understand? So I'm going with A first, so it can't be straight line. Again, in the exam, if you have calculated x first and then A, still full marks for you. Okay, that's why what makes geometry so easy. There's many ways to solve the same thing. Okay. So A, as you can see, two straight lines there. So A is going to be 45 degrees. Why? It's vertically opposite. That's 45. So I'm going to calculate x. I'm going to calculate x. You can be angles on a straight line or angles around a point. Okay, so straight lines will be the easier of the two. So it's going to simply be x plus 90 plus 45 is equal to 180. Why? So x is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 45, which is 45 degrees. Okay, can you see that, people? Or if I had gone here, I would have gotten the same answer. So that would have been 45 plus x plus 2x is equal to 180 straight line. It would have been 3x is equal to 180 minus 45, which is 135, divided by 3, so x is 4. You see, same story. Or if I had gone with angles around a point, you would have seen that's 2x plus x plus 45 plus 45 plus 90 plus 45 adds up to 360. Okay, angles around the point, and you get x again to be 45. Do you guys understand? Again, and also if I calculate x here, then do I have to calculate x here? No. Why not? Because x and x's are the same. They're all the same. Not so? In that sum. Okay. Let's look at D. We've got x, y, and z that needs to be solved here. Where do we start? X. X is? Vertically. The stuff is so easy. No? I'm sure you guys are getting frustrated that you're doing so easy things at high school. X is 40. Why is x 40? Vertically opposite. Okay. How do you calculate y? Angles on a straight line. And you can see here 40 plus 3y plus y. 40 plus 3y plus y is equal to 180y straight line. So 3y plus y, 4y is equal to 180 minus 40, which is 140. I get y on its own. Divide by 4 both sides. So y is going to give you 70. So that is going to be 35 degrees. And there's going to be 3 times 35, which is 105. If needed. Okay. I'm going to calculate z. Many ways now. I can go with revolution or angles in a straight line. Not so. Or I could have gone vertically opposite. So z is also 3y plus y. You see that, people? Many ways of calculating that story. But I think that's the simplest of it. Z plus 40 is equal to 181. Straight line. Okay, so Z is equal to 180 minus 40, which is 140 degrees. Mizan, don't take your eye out. You scratch your eyes, my girl. Sorry? Something in your eye. Will you guys okay with that? Any confusion? Easy. E. Go with E. Okay. E. I'm going to calculate X. Angles on a straight line. There's a straight line for those of you who can't see. Angles on a straight line. Okay, so what do I say? X plus 80 equals 180. Why? Straight line. Remember, we must have, every statement must have a reason. Okay. So x plus x is 2x is equal to 180 minus 80, which is 100. Divide by 2 both sides. So x is 50 degrees. That is 50 and this is 50. When you calculate y, angles on a straight line. So you say y plus 80 is equal to 180. Reason? Straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 80, which is 100 degrees. Any confusion there? Right, so that brings us to the end of page 4. Okay. We'll go straight into page 5. The full lesson can be found in the description box below.